Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Jacqueline Fronda, 44 years old, married, separated. I have 2 children. My son is 21 years old now, and my daughter is 17 years old. I graduated in college, 2 years course, computer secretarial. I worked in Hong Kong for 13 years. My first employer started May 2010 to October 2010. They have 4 members of the family, 1 child, 1 couple, and 1 elderly. My second employer, I started working December 2010 to March 2023. They have 3 members of the family, 1 couple, and 1 elderly. My main duties and responsibilities are cooking, cleaning, car washing, ironing, and washing. Thank you.